What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over some coins I just bought. So let's check it out, see if I did all right. We're going to start with the first envelope here on the top. These just hit my mailbox today, so can't wait to see what we got. And then let me know in the comments if you think I did a good job or not. All right. We got a Morgan. And yes, I did spray my hands with alcohol, so don't freak out. But we got a beautiful 1881 here with beautiful cartwheels. Let's check out the cheeks. Looking nice. Very nice strike. Let's check out the reverse. Wow, beautiful bright white coin. Absolutely love it. This is kind of rare too. This is an 1881 without a mint mark, and that is made in Philadelphia. So probably close to a $100 coin. So we will set that aside. Let me get a little flip here. Highly, highly recommend Guardhouse flips. They are made out of Mylar, not any plastic in there whatsoever. And for these larger ones, I like to put them in the 2.5 by 2.5. They're a little bit more expensive, but you can grab the flips from Amazon or Wizard Coin Supply directly or through eBay. All right, let's take a look at the next one here. We got some South African coins from 1959. What the heck? Half penny and penny. All right. That's exciting. What are these all about? Love handling the world coins. Let's see how they wrapped up. Ooh, this dude put them in Mylars. Nice. Wow. These are nice. All right. Well, I was expecting these to come in a pile, but they did not. So these are all beautiful BU. So let's check out the half pennies. And yes, you can call them pennies because that's what they're called in other countries, although we do call them pennies here in the United States, even though they're supposed to be called cents. So, wow, these are really, really nice. So I got a really good deal on these, and I like buying stuff that other collectors enjoy. And stuff that's nice enough to actually send in to get graded. So these actual coins are not that old. They're from 1959, but they are rare in these type of conditions. So I believe they sell anywhere from $10 to $20 in this type of condition. So let's take a look at it. It's got some toning on it. But these are all in beautiful BU condition. And sometimes with these coins, it's all about condition. So when they're newer, it's not that new. It's definitely older than I am. But these all have Queen Elizabeth on them. I believe they're made of bronze. I could be wrong. And also, too, when you're listing coins like this for sale on eBay, it's very important to put the KM number because a lot of people blow that off. But sometimes other collectors throughout the world, because remember eBay is a world selling platform, they like to search their coins with the KM number. So there's always the ability to put the KM number in the title of your item, so it's easy to search. And then obviously there's a spot for it. Wow, this one looks super nice. Jeez. All right, that might be the best coin of the half pennies here. But there should be 10 half pennies and 10 full pennies. So these are the last two. Wow, that's really nice. This one's super nice, and I think this one is absolutely smoke time. Wow, this is a really, really, really well struck. It's got some hits and stuff, but definitely BU. So I think these graded go for like $50. I could be wrong. Obviously, you got to spend some money to get these graded, at least $28. But that one, we're going to I'm going to keep that inside the, well, I don't like using people's flips that they ship to me. Where are my regular size flips? Here they are. I like to use fresh flips to keep these in. That way we're not introducing any weirdness. But man, that one's smoke time. I mean, these are all nice, but that's really, really, really nice. All right, so we will set these aside. Let me put some paper towel down here in case I got something in my coin or in my light booth here. I don't want to add any extra dings. Let's take a look at the full pennies here. These are nice big coins too. I like them. I was not expecting them to be this large. So, and yes, size does matter. Collectors definitely enjoy a larger coin. This is really cool. It's got, I don't know what ship that is in the back, but this is, man, what a nice coin. Some marks to the face of Queen Elizabeth there. Let's take a peek at this one. But love, love, love to hold nice BU coins. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, this one's really nice. That's definitely flip worthy. Get a flip for that one. So anytime you buy collections and there's something, you know, really decent, you want to put in a flip so that way. I'll put the rest of them in flips, but man, that is absolutely beautiful. I think these high grade ones too can go for a lot. Again, I'm not an expert on the world coins by any means, but man, this is nice too. A little nick on the neck here. And the reverse, absolutely beautiful. So what do you guys think? Even if you are not into world coins, I would buy these just for the beauty of them. And again, it's a nice large coin. This is like probably the size of a $50. And I'm not sure if this was minted in South Africa, if they actually have their own mint. They probably do. But very, very cool design. Let's see if we got any other ones here. So there's some wear. So the high points of the coin are on the sails. And this one definitely has a rub mark there. But I'm going to be happy to list these on eBay. And when you're pricing out your coins on eBay, you want to go with comparable sales. There aren't a ton of comparable sales on here because not too many. Ooh, I forgot about these two half pennies. But not a lot of people list really nice world coins on eBay unless they are graded. But usually, like I said, you can appeal to world collectors on eBay. And they have to pay a tax, they have to pay extra shipping. But sometimes they'll do that because it's worth it. Because they can't, you know, if you price it out right, they can't really get this type of coin in their country. So they can, but there's obviously a little better market for it. So they'll pay a little bit higher. So as long as you price it out right, according to what you think it'll grade out to. Man, these are all nice. Jeez. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised with that purchase. And wow, this one, it's got some stuff here. So I don't know if acetone will take that off, but that's just like a fingerprint. Hopefully that'll come right off. This one's really nice too. So we're gonna see if, I think it's okay to put acetone on bronze or copper. I'll make sure it is. So obviously I don't want to ruin these. There we go. What a nice coin. All right. Let me pause it here and make some room for the next unboxing. Actually, what I'll do, since this video has already gone 10 minutes, please like, share, and subscribe, and then we're going to do unboxing number 2. I'll just do a completely separate video because I know inside this are all full date Buffalo nickels, and that'll be a little bit longer video because I think there's 200 coins inside there. So appreciate you guys watching. Please let me know in the comments if this is cool. I will have this Morgan silver dollar listed in my store. There's always a link to my store in my videos, so you can purchase from me with confidence that these are authentic. And obviously I'll be listing these as well. It'll take me some time, so I'll probably get that up tonight. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. And if you want to watch this video, I'll just call it a Buffalo nickel unboxing video. Talk to you in the next one.